I had the pleasure of hearing Albert speak at an event that I was attending where he was talking about the expertise in his field of cybersecurity. But what struck me about the presentation right away is that he had a funny and engaging and easy way of sharing concepts for technical and non-technical people. The people in the audience were from a range of industries, some very big companies that need a lot of cybersecurity, and some of us smaller solopreneurs who have maybe just the rudimentary products and things that are out on the market. But he still gave enough actionable tips that apply to everyone across the board. He has a great way of transferring knowledge. It's obvious he has a passion for what he does. He's very, very funny and engaging and takes a really dry topic and makes it interesting and fun. So if you are looking for a speaker for your organization or a cybersecurity expert for your organization, I highly recommend Albert.